Moises is marketed as an AI-powered music app that supposedly removes vocal and helps musicians practice more effectively. But the real question is, does it even work properly, or is it another AI tool that sounds better in the ads and in real life? Now, to be fair, AI audio separation technology has improved dramatically in recent years. What used to require expensive studio software can now be done in seconds on a phone or laptop. What it does well: vocal removal works surprisingly well. This is one of Moises' strongest features. For many songs, it can separate vocals from instrumentals with impressive accuracy. Instrument isolation is genuinely useful. Musicians can isolate drums, bass, guitar, vocals, and other elements to study specific parts. Where the hype falls apart, the AI is not perfect. This is the biggest issue. Complex songs can still produce audio artifacts, glitches, or imperfect separations. Results vary by song. Simple recordings often sound great, while dense mixes with many instruments can be harder to separate cleanly. Some isolated tracks sound artificial. Even when the separation works, the extracted audio may not sound studio quality. So, does Moises actually work properly? Short answer: yes. For most users, it works surprisingly well and delivers exactly what it promises, although the results are not always perfect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.